Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you are in the world, thank you for joining me tonight. My name is B Tics. This is the Balloon Sculptor. And today we're going to be continuing our series on techniques. And this is one of my favorite twists. Um, my friends in the balloon community also make fun of me because of how much I love this twist. And I put it a part of pretty much everything I make. Doesn't matter if it's a small sculpture you can hold in your hand, or a cartoon character, or a life-size dragon. Um, I love this twist because to me, it's one of the more practical. It lets you do so much. It lets you change the direction. It gives you a secure point into your balloon. And I absolutely love it. It's a great way of doing so much. And well, it's the ear twist. Now, an ear twist is very simple in how it's made. You get your bubbles, but unlike where we would do for like a dog or something else where we combined those two bubbles right here together, we're actually just going to take one of those bubbles and we're actually going to twist the balloon on top of itself. So let's get a nice good shot here. So what I'm going to do, and this is the key, get your thumb and you go underneath it and you lift up and you rotate it. Let's see if I can get a good shot there. Rotate. There we go. And what that gives you is this little bean. See? Right there. Kind of looks like a very big jelly belly. Jelly bellies. But here's one of the things I love about it. It lets the balloon go in all these cool angles. I now have a 90-degree angle. If I do another one, the balloon's not going back. And if I keep doing these, I can make a circle. And this can also become so many things here. So, as you can see, it curls, gives me my shape. I can now turn them around. Aha! I must ask you a question. Hmm? Nah. So the balloon gives you a lot of maneuverability, a lot of options. And pretty much wherever you put the balloon, it's going to go. For those like me with ADHD, think of it as the balloon version of a fidget spinner. And they're cheap, only 5 cents a piece. Woohoo! Of course, I go through a lot. A lot. So the ear twist is great. Not only can it make a great teddy bear ear or other things like that, but it gives you options. Now, we're going to show later how to do this, but I'm going to actually tear off the balloon. So I'm going to take the extra nozzle and I'm just going to rotate it around that ear twist. Go underneath it, around it, lock it in place. And what I'm going to do is we'll show this later, more of a step-by-step. I'm going to actually just tear off that piece of balloon. Yeah, I don't need it anymore. But now that balloon's locked in, just think of the options. Think of the possibilities. There's so much you can do with this. Now, one of my favorite, of course, is the teddy bear head. And that's one of the ways that this got its name in the first place. So let me show you that. Because that's often how most people, besides me, use it on a regular basis. And don't worry, we're going to actually talk about how to make the teddy bear in another video coming up very soon. But in the meantime, consider this a little preview. Oh, I do love how this color looks. So this is what we call a sequence of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make a teddy bear head. I'm just going to stretch this part out a little bit, make it a little softer, and bring it in. Now, that looks cute and all, but it's going to come out again. You need to add some extra tension. So what we're going to do is simply do that same ear twist we just talked about. So I'm going to put my thumb in there, pull up, and rotate. couple times and do the same over here. And now I have a cute little teddy bear head. And we'll cover more how to do that when we get there. But I want to show you again the joy of the ear twist because it has so much possibilities, so many ways of working with it that to me, this is one of the best twists to have in your inventory. But that's just me. What's your favorite twist if you have one? Put it in the comments and like, subscribe, all that jazz. We're just getting going. We have a lot of dreams, a lot of things we'd like to do if we can get this channel growing. And just remember, a smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word, the right time, can last a lifetime. Thank y'all. Till next time. Bye bye.